Hi, my name is Scott Ball. I'm an attorney and I specialize in defending red light camera tickets. With tens of thousands of these tickets issued in California every month, chances are that you or someone you know has received one of these tickets, and unfortunately, you may receive one in the future. Including traffic school fees, these tickets can cost the unsuspecting motorist nearly $600 out of pocket, and potentially more based on raised insurance premiums. However, there is good news. These tickets can be fought and they can be beat. Here are a few important things that you need to know. If you receive one of these tickets under your name, but someone else is driving the vehicle, you are not required to identify that person. The Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution affords you the absolute right to remain silent. Ignore the misleading information on the ticket that says you must fill out the affidavit of non-liability and identify your spouse, child, friend, employee, or anyone else. Don't listen to the cops and court clerks who say that you have to fill this out. It's simply not true. You have zero legal obligation to assist police in prosecuting these outrageous tickets. Avoid ratting out your friend or family member. Call me. We can beat this ticket every single time. Even if you are the driver of the vehicle, identity is still a very important issue. The prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are the person behind the wheel. This is the same high standard of proof as required for conviction in a murder trial. If the picture is blurry, the driver is wearing sunglasses or a hat, or the visor is down, or anything else that makes it difficult or impossible to positively identify the driver, that ticket can be beat. And remember, you have an absolute right to remain silent. The burden of proof rests entirely on the prosecution. Another important way to challenge a red light camera ticket is to determine if the person committed the infraction according to the legal definition of running a red light. The prosecution must prove that the vehicle entered the intersection when the light was red, and not just that the light turned before the vehicle passed completely through. What this means is if any part of your bumper is over the crosswalk and the light is still yellow, you are not guilty. Often these incidents come down to literally hundredths of a second. It's very important to review this evidence carefully and determine if your ticket can be challenged in this manner. Finally, the Vehicle Code provides a lengthy list of requirements with which these systems must comply in order to be legal. These requirements include the following. The yellow lights must be of a minimum duration based upon the speed of the roadway. There must be clearly marked signs announcing the presence of the cameras within 200 feet of all intersections. The city must give public notice and advance warnings prior to the installation of the system. And the contract with the private camera vendor must be cost neutral and cannot be based upon the number of tickets issued or money generated. If the camera system fails to comply with all of these requirements, it is illegal and your case should be dismissed. If you have a red light camera ticket, contact my office today for a free consultation regarding your options. We offer affordable rates and the very best in customer service. And don't take my word on that. Please look me up on Yelp to confirm it. For more information, visit www.redlightcameradefenders.com or call 708-BEAT-RLC. That's 708-232-8752. Thanks for listening and drive safely.